Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure YouTube Studio for thumbnail and in-screen uploads, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your YouTube account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. In the left sidebar, click on Content. You will see a list of choose the video you want to configure for thumbnail and in-screen uploads. Click on the video title or the pencil icon to edit the details. To upload a custom thumbnail, scroll down to the thumbnail section. You will see options for Upload Thumbnail. Click on the Upload Thumbnail button. Select the image file from your device that you want to use as your thumbnail. Make sure your thumbnail meets YouTube's requirements for resolution and format. Once selected, click on Open to upload the thumbnail. You should now see your custom thumbnail displayed. Next, scroll down to the End Screen section. Click on End Screen to open the editing tool. Drag and drop your desired elements onto the timeline. Adjust the timing for each element according to your preference. You can also resize and reposition the elements as needed. Once you are satisfied with your end screen layout, click on Save. Your thumbnail and end screen are now configured for the selected video. Repeat these steps for any other videos you wish to edit. Finally, return to the content page to manage your video uploads efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.